This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. In the stock index futures, we are seeing prices a little bit lower. Some concern that there is a possibility that the Fed could announce a taper of their quantitative easing program at the end of the two-day FOMC meeting that starts today. Right now, the general feeling is that there is about a 33 to 34% chance that the Fed will announce a taper at this meeting this week, although the consensus view remains that the Fed will not taper until the March 2014 meeting. Our belief is that the Fed will taper much later than that. Keep in mind, though, that even when the Fed does scale back their quantitative easing program, there is still plenty of accommodation left in the system. So when there is the tapering, our belief is that we will see, of course, a temporary break. But after the tapering is announced, whenever that is, we will see a new leg up to new highs for the move in stock index futures. Over in the currencies, much of the trade appears to be evening up ahead of the Fed announcement with their statement tomorrow. The dollar a little bit firmer on the possibility of no taper, which would keep interest rates relatively high, at least versus other currencies. Also, we feel that longer term, the fundamentals justify higher prices for the British pound as the UK economy continues to improve, and lower prices for the Japanese yen as the Bank of Japan continues to increase their quantitative easing program, which undermines the yen from an interest rate differential point of view. And treasuries, seems like traders are extremely bearish, looking for a taper possibly at the meeting today and tomorrow from the Fed. Our feeling is that traders are too bearish. We do feel that the Fed will maintain their 0 to 25 basis point Fed funds target well into 2015, probably longer than the consensus view, which is for the Fed to raise the Fed funds rate at the June FOMC meeting. So with traders, I believe, as short as they are, once the FOMC meeting is out of the way, I think we can see treasuries trading higher. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.